Now it's time to consider Lisa Barrow and the latest motor news. Lisa?
Thanks, John. Korean carmaker Hyundai recently introduced its new midsize Sonata in an effort to expand its market beyond that of the subcompact Excel. But that doesn't mean that Hyundai is neglecting the model that made it famous. Hyundai will soon introduce this restyled Excel as part of its 1990 model line. The new design, probably the work of Giorgio Giugiaro, who designed the original Excel, replaces that car's angular looks with more rounded lines. This Excel bears a more than passing resemblance to its larger Sonata sibling. This will, however, be the last Giugiaro-designed Hyundai that we'll see. AutoWeek magazine reports that Hyundai has established its own design department, which will oversee the creation of all future Hyundai products. But Hyundai's bid for independence goes much further than just doing its own styling. The Korean company is also cutting its ties to Mitsubishi, the giant Japanese carmaker that currently manufactures all Hyundai drivetrains. Starting in 1991, Hyundai will manufacture its own engines. The first of these homegrown power plants will be a 1.5 or 2-liter 12-valve four-cylinder. This engine will replace the 1.5-liter unit that currently powers the Excel line. The company will also manufacture its own 4-speed automatic transmission. This moves toward a car built completely in Korea, and it reflects the increasing confidence of Korean manufacturers as their products gain success on the international market. In other news, the Volkswagen diesel is back in the U.S. 2 years after the last Volkswagen diesel rolled off the showroom floor, the German company has introduced a new diesel model. Volkswagen dealers are now selling a diesel-powered version of the four-door Jetta sedan. The $10,000 car is powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder diesel engine and has a 5-speed manual transaxle. This new, more refined power plant is derived from Volkswagen's European diesels, which have always enjoyed strong sales. It was introduced in response to recent fuel mileage concerns and to tap the potentially large but neglected U.S. diesel market. This is Volkswagen's first U.S. diesel model since 1986, when both European and domestic manufacturers staged a wholesale retreat from the diesel market. The new Jetta is one of only 2 diesel-powered cars currently available in the United States. The other is the $31,000 Mercedes 190D. John?